everyone, Dr. Tara Farr here. I just want to talk to you today a little about our liver detox class we are hosting every quarter and a little bit about the detox kit. So a liver detox is recommended really for anyone who is exposed to air pollutants, who's exposed to pesticides sprayed on foods, who's exposed to maybe some emotional stress. All of that can have a toxic load on our bodies and impact our liver. Our liver is the biggest detoxification organ in the body. It sits right in the upper part of your right side of your stomach, and it filters all of your blood and helps get all of that nasty stuff out of our body. Now we are exposed to a lot more in our environment and with the stress of our jobs than we used to be, so our livers are kind of working overtime, just trying to keep up with daily living. So the liver's an organ that most people don't generally cleanse out of their system every year, and we kind of recommend them do that every year just to stay proactive about your health and keep that balance in your body optimal. So every quarter we are hosting a class, like I said, so stay tuned to our Facebook page and events and see when the next class is offered. But I just want to show you a little bit about the kit that comes with that class. This is the Core Restore Detox Kit. This is everything you need for a week-long liver detox. So let's look at what's inside of here and talk about it a little bit. So in this liver detox kit, you get a very lengthy booklet on how the liver works, how detoxification works, and instructions on how to do everything. It's a nice complete booklet on just educational stuff for you to reference if you have questions. There's also a core support shake that you consume during the week-long liver detox. This is just good medical food, full of good vitamins and nutrients, so it's very important just to keep supplementing your body good while you're going through that process. It has alpha base capsules. These are a multivitamin basically that you take throughout the week. It also comes with PhytoCore pills. These are actual detoxification pills. So when we talk about toxins in the body, toxins are fat soluble, okay? So if they're fat soluble, if we have too much and our liver can't keep up with it, our body naturally puts these toxins into fat. So they're stored in fat. We want to get them out of the fat cells, convert them to water soluble so we can excrete them from the body. A lot of the times when I have patients who have yo-yo weight loss, weight gain, they just lose it and then gain it back, I often recommend a liver detox, because what happens to our bodies when we lose weight? Our fat cells shrink, which means if there's excess toxins stored in those fat cells, they are excreted out into the body. Well, if our liver can't keep up with those excess toxins at that moment, it's just going to throw them right back into fat cells, because that's how our body prevents and saves itself from that toxic load. So we have to, if you're looking to lose weight especially, or looking for lifestyle changes, you really need to do a liver detox first and foremost before you address that weight loss. So it's a good thing to do before we journey into this weight loss program. If you have any questions, please contact our office, 262-598-0918. Thanks for tuning in.